running a membership site. One flagged transaction can freeze your payments and put recurring revenue at risk. Here's a quick way to see the risk for yourself. Search Stripe froze membership site payments on Google, and you will find real examples of recurring revenue being interrupted. Even established membership sites are not immune, and relying on processors without upfront underwriting can leave you vulnerable. That's why membership site owners turn to EasyPay Direct. They underwrite your business model upfront and provide chargeback mitigation to prevent unexpected freezes. On top of that, recurring billing ensures your members charge reliably every cycle. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get transaction routing, which keeps payments flowing smoothly even if one account experiences an issue. If you want to protect your membership site income from processor holds, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form, and you'll have a stable, secure merchant account ready for recurring payments. The link's in the description to get started.